This one thing under your house could cost you thousands, and most buyers never even check it. Everyone tells you check the kitchen, the roof, the painting. But you know what most people forget to even take a look at? What's hiding under your house? Right here, these pipes. This is your underfloor sewer line plumbing. And believe me, if it's old, damaged, or leaking, it can cost you a lot of money after you move in. So before you sign anything, either you or a professional needs to go under here, check the pipes, and make sure you're not buying a hidden nightmare. Remember this, and you will thank me later.